Hello everyone, welcome to a new video here on Let's Walk Around Stockholm. You know it, another day, another video. And it is Sunday morning around 10 o'clock and I am at Stockholm Central Station. But we're gonna go out and let's check out the weather because I think it's gonna rain a lot. I hope it's not too bad. I think the temperature is around 5 degrees. But lucky enough I brought my umbrella. For a change, I'm prepared for the weather. Yes, so we are downtown. Temperature, I'm not really sure, I didn't check, but it feels as it's around plus 5 degrees. Just passing the Radisson Hotel here. And I am at Vasagatan, one of the main streets that is kind of walking parallel to Drottninggatan. I walked on this street a few times before, but more in the opposite direction. So now I'm going more towards Norra Latin over there. So here we have the entrance of Central Station. But there we have the Arlanda Express, you know, the fast train to the airport. It goes from there. So yeah, sorry about yesterday's video. I don't really know what happened. I did upload it at like 10 or 11 in the morning, but it took hours and hours and hours before it uploaded. And when it was uploaded, it took also like 24 hours before it uploaded in the right quality. So I don't know what happened, but you know, technology, it can happen. Oh, let's have a look actually what's around here. Because here I've never took a left. Oh, we've got a little theater here. It's called Oscar Theater. Nice. I always try to look up as well because there's like a little garden up there. See that? There's like a little garden on top of Central Station. That's cool, never seen that before. I don't even know if I actually can take a right here. Oh yeah, I can. So the other day when I was walking from Kungsgatan to Kungsholmen over Kungsbron, I was actually passing over there. But now we're going straight ahead today. Oh, nice. Klistermannen has done a deer there over there on the other wall. You've seen it in many of my videos. The Stockholm artist, his name is Peter. He makes those things everywhere. Oh. There was my umbrella almost flying away. It is a little bit tricky to hold your umbrella with one hand and then your camera with the other. Especially when it's windy. Last time this happened to me, I actually had to stop my walk because I got water on my lens, and then after I got water on my phone, and then it stopped working and I had to start over again. But yeah, then I got so frustrated that I was like, no, I'm just going home. It can happen sometimes. Oh, I like the architecture of these buildings there. It is the Clarion Hotel over there. Remember when my parents... Oi, almost my umbrella flew away again. When my parents were here in Stockholm, they actually stayed there. Very nice hotel. Yeah, we got Norra Bantorget around here. Oh, it's so windy. Oh my god. And you can see the train tracks. Yeah, so here we got the Norra Bantorget. A little park in the square there. Oh, nice. I see Office Depot over there. It reminds me of the days where I worked as an office manager and I have to order all the office materials over there. Well, I can tell you one thing, I'm happy I don't work there anymore. Hey, look. Ugh. I have an umbrella, but it's kind of useless today. It's flying everywhere. So I think I'm gonna buy like a little waterproof thingy for my camera. Lilla Bantorget. Actually, I've never been here before. This little square, I've never seen before. Cool. Finally, they parked the scooters in a nice way. Well, let's cross the street and walk up those stairs over there. No, actually I'm not. I'm gonna go straight ahead a little bit more. No, I've never been here before. I love it how I keep discovering small new areas here in Stockholm, even in the city center. So nice. Bang Sushi Takeaway. Little bit of a funny name for a sushi place, if you ask me. So we are at Vasagatan right now. Nice architecture again. I know everyone's gonna comment again on this video, like, where is everyone? There's no people. But yeah, it's Sunday morning, so. Oh, we're approaching a little church over there. Let's have a look. At least that's how it looks like, not sure. Yes, so this is Vasagatan, I think. Yes, it is. Yes, very nice. Great, the statue of, it's probably Jesus or something. Yeah. St. Peter's Church. Some nice glass. Nice. Oh, looks really cool. But even me, I'm still surprised that when you're less than 300 meters away from Central Station, it can be that quiet. But that's a typical Scandinavian thing. Like the main streets, sure, lots of people, especially when the shops are open. But when you go once left or right, it was the same thing in Oslo. In Denmark, in Copenhagen, not that much. It feels a bit more busy, but it's probably the same anyway. There's a lot of like lawyers, architects, art galleries, things like that around here in those cool looking buildings. I love how all those different houses have, you know, all the individual styles. So nice when they're all different instead of everything just looking the same, the whole street or the whole block. Yeah, so now we actually ended up at Drottninggatan. That's quite funny, I didn't even know that. Alrighty. Yeah, so we can walk back. Yeah, let's walk back to Central, this side. I didn't even know I walked this far back to Drottninggatan, that was funny. So yeah, that's what I mean, like on top of the buildings you have all those cool, yeah, I don't know, my English is not really good enough to explain, but you know what I mean. Decoration, I guess, is the word. Vallinggatan we are at right now. Oh yeah, it's Sunday, so they probably have a church service over there. It's the perfect way to round up today's walk here at Adolf Fredrikskyrkan. Alright, thank you for watching people and see you tomorrow.